thing for me in London, I roughly know where I'm. Oh, we're in London Wall now. Okay, I'm good. I'm lost. Child. It wants us to go that way, but we'll go that way. Okay, so we have left Bike Shed now. We are riding back home. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with the trip overall, to be honest with you. Nice little trip, it's a nice ride home now. City or Holborn or Ring Road? No, we want City Holborn. City Road South, Old Street West, City Road North. It's a bit carnage to get out of there. Fucking hell. The sat-nav don't quite know where it's going. It's a bit lost. So we're just gonna, I think I roughly know where I'm going. We'll be alright, I'm sure. We want to do a left here, I think? No, not here. Next one. I want to carry on. This one. In 0.3 miles it wants us to do a right. I don't think we can do that in 0.3 miles unless it thinks that's 0.3. That looks a bit closer than 0.3 to me. Oh, we're going that way then. Fucking sat-nav. Just turn round, come back. We should have left at the top. Oh, it's all the sort of side of London I don't know. Which head down? Just keep heading south. Because it don't get traffic data, it don't get road closures. So you go down roads and it's like, nope. Ah, fuck that. I am a good boy. Liverpool Street, we're going to do a left. So, the thing for me in London, I roughly know where I'm going. I know that I sort of want to go left, sort of, you know what I mean? I know the direction I want to go. And I know once I get to a certain spot, I know where I need to go. It's more fuck about around all these sort of roads that I'm like, I don't know where I need to go here. Hoping this taxi is good enough to let us go. Oh, we're in London Wall now. Okay, I'm good. This wants me to go right, but I don't know where. I don't think it's up here, because you can't do a right. Yeah, it wants me to go down there. I can't go down there. This is now Commercial Street. So it wants me to do a left there. I can't do a left there. Oh, this sat-nav's confusing the shit out of me. I'm lost. Right, I want City. Hello. My sat-nav is so fucking confused. I'll follow you. I'll just follow you. Because this thing's getting fucking confused. We've gone in a circle. I don't know if you've known this, but it's a nice little tour of London, at least. You said you wanted to do more of London. There we go, we're actually moving again now, we're out of traffic. Right, so yeah, we got a bit lost. We've been driving around in circles. My problem in London is I know how to get to, like, from Big Bits to home, if that makes sense. I know my direction when I'm at Big Bits, so Liverpool Street Station will be fine. Liverpool Street, we're going to do a left hand. Up in the West End. If I went Holborn that sort of way, I'd have been alright, but I don't even know where I am now. Where are we? Oh, we're going up into Hackney. We're heading north out, I think. Just based on where we are. That sign's still red. Cyclists wonder why they get hated on the road, and that's probably why. Flashing amber and he hadn't gone. What's wrong with him? He's not normally one to wait. Monday to Friday 4 till 7, so we can use bus lane. It's a Saturday, by the way. You get a mouthful of fuel every time he does that. So I don't know here if he actually wants to go right or if we're just going for the lane. Yeah, we're going for a lane. Get some air across the engine now. Victoria Park. Oh, we're up the top of both. So we're going for Jerry, aren't we? So we're going A12. Is that the A12? Okay. So we're going up onto the A12 now. A2 eastbound of Bexley closed due to an accident. That's fine for us. We don't need the A2. I know where I am now. That's always a good thing. Reduce speed now for a sharp left turn. Ooh, I don't really want to sit in that though. Oh, there's a broken down car there. Does Jerry go 7.5 ton route? Yeah. It's always used to be my lovely little cut through. I love this little cut through. Oh, fuck that. We just got away. Ooh. Getting like that. Alright, cool. Dickhead. So it's been quite a good day, I think. We've had a few hours out. I think I've been out of the house for about 5 hours, maybe. Did some good fun bikes, had a nice bit of dinner, and then now, yeah, we're just heading back. Nice to see the temperature's coming down on the bike now, though. Friday we also got a bit extra riding around London when we got lost, but it's all sort of sightseeing in it, I suppose. That's how I like it. I've noticed bits of the B-line I don't particularly like now, so it doesn't do traffic updates, and I'm assuming it's because you're a bike, so it doesn't really bother you, in all honesty, traffic, but there's still a degree of, I'd like to know, road closures. I suppose you can't really get one without the other.